Welcome back everyone to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we are continuing again on just talking about some of the sneakers that are set to release on Yeezy Day. This time around we are going to be discussing the 350 V2 Hyperspaces, which released back in 2019. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be talking about the Yeezy 350 V2 Hyperspaces, again, which released back in 2019 that we will be seeing again now on Yeezy Day. So we'll go through the overview of these, talk about size and fit, followed by how I style this really cool, refreshing color scheme, and then we'll talk about where you can find these on Yeezy Day as well as the retail price point. So let's jump right into it. This is one of the sneakers I feel like is just minty fresh. Literally it has this nice kind of mint tone to it, which you'll see throughout the prime knit here. So for the stripe, we've got a transparent stripe, which is really cool. You can kind of see through. It looks tan underneath and it's see-through in the middle region here. We've got clean, crisp white laces. As we work our way up to the sock liner, more of that nice, just minty green colorway. We've got mint green for the insole as well, with a monochromatic Adidas Yeezy logo on the interior. On the back, we've got a crisp white pull tab. As we work our way to the bottom of the midsole, it's transparent, but it gives off this just nice green color scheme. And then we've got a nice transparent gum colorway, which finishes off the outsole, and you'll see that we've got that full length boost on the bottom there. All right, so let's take a look at those details then and jump into size and fit. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I do have a more in-depth video. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to go back, check that video out. But as far as the 350 V2 series goes, I do always recommend at least going a minimum of half a size up. I have actually been going a full size up just because I've been wearing nice thick socks with my Yeezy 350 V2 series, as well as I just like to have a little bit of extra space, and I don't like taking the time to break in my prime knit, so I do like to just have that additional space in the toe box region since it is so shallow. If you do have high arch narrow feet like myself, I would recommend at least going half a size up to a full size. If you do have flatter, wider feet, this could actually differentiate a completely opposite size range that may work best for you. So do take that into consideration. All right, so now let's talk about styling. This is just such a fun, quirky colorway for the spring, summertime. Again, for those of you who didn't know, when these released back in 2019, this was actually region locked, so I was unable to get these. these, but these released in Asia. So Asia Pacific, Middle East, India, as well as Africa. So I was unable to get these, so I'm excited to have these in hand and ready to style for you because this is such a great, refreshing summer colorway. So for the first look, I decided to wear a mint green or seafoam green color scheme for my top and bottoms, which were matching. So I had a crew neck and a pair of sweat shorts. So I think that that color variation was a little bit bolder, but really just vibed quite nicely with the sneakers.
Live through the rush, left the fever, I can't catch me missing it once. Now look up, I can see love, I can see you one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nothing gonna take all of my blessings. God wrote the story, can't finesse me, nah. Nothing gonna take all of my blessings, nah, nah. This ain't no wavering.
For the second look, I dressed it up a little bit, so I decided to wear a pleated skirt that was also kind of a darker teal color scheme, and I wore a one shoulder top or blouse in all white, and I think that just white is a really good refreshing colorway that just goes quite nicely with this, and you could even do all white for a nice kind of monochromatic look.
Cut the bondage, now it's falling, it was chained to me. I look up so I can see who I was made to be. Swear your love got me so free, it's like a lesson, alright. Grab my hand so you can leave, thought I was up inside night. I know this is not a season, it's the rest of my life. Oh, I thought I was surrounded by my enemies. Yeah, I thought I hit the ground, it was the enemy. Now I see you never leave, it's all serenity.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear some olive pants with this. I think that olive tones go quite nicely with the green hues that are present throughout. And those pants had some nice white trim on it for threading, which I think also complemented the white color scheme as well. And for the top, I wore an abstract top that had just multicolors on it and a halter top.
Left the fever, I can't catch me missing it once. Now look up, I can see love, I can see you one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nothing gonna take all of my blessings. God wrote the story, can't finesse me, nah. Nothing gonna take all of my blessings, nah, nah. Just cause there's resistance to me, you ain't.
So you let me know down below what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
Try to open up, it wasn't good enough. Put in my all and got nothing back. Now I'm stuck in the rain, dealing with all this pain. Why you gotta do me like that? Don't say you love me, then go and leave me. It can't get ugly, trust and believe me. Saying to myself, looks so deceiving. Trying to fight back this far from easy. I've seen your hands. Delilah, don't you know I've seen your heart turned cold, lost control. Looking at this beautiful distraction. Fell in love with a fatal attraction. I really let my guard down, now relaxing. Why did I open up? She taking way too much. Put in my all and got nothing back. I'm feeling so ashamed, I fell into your game. Why you gotta do me like that? Don't say you love me, then go and leave me. It can't get ugly, trust and believe me. Saying to myself, look so deceiving. Trying to fight back this far from.
All right, so these are set to retail at $230 on the Confirmed app and Yeezy Supply. Again, these released back in March 2019, so it's been a few years since we've seen this colorway re-release. These are currently going between $400 to $600 on the resale market, which is pretty steep. So definitely, if you are looking for a really refreshing colorway and something that just is nice and kind of has a monochromatic feel, be sure to check these out on Yeezy Day, which is set to be on the 2nd and 3rd. All right, everyone, that's it for this episode. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those again down below. Hit that notification bell because we have so much content coming out. And again, I will be giving all the information I can about Yeezy Day. So stick around for any uploaded content on that. Be sure to check out our join button subscribe for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Other than that, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.